Oka Yaababy oso no kama tuntum se wi nam eye Tvgh so ma ne hwe ne nka Tvgh eye Yaababy ne kanchima anase ne fiancé ai ne mpra a wone ne nam wone ne koba bia nkadaachi bi eba beye aware no mutu kwan kwa yie na yie ne mkonni eni gigie na se tuo tutuo bi kokoso a eye tuo no efi Tvgh ankasa nsem ede tuo no ankasa ne girlfriend ema Yaababy ehwere ne nkwa na ndra memene de na ye de Yaababy etumpam a yesie Yaababy na yie na sedie won sesesi a Ghana ha se so obi wu a won so obi a yadeda na ye de jot sina no ai sabi eye ne koso na ye fa ye ho ewe yie na se mi ankasa me ho bi akola bi wo ya dwuma wodi wo hyewi na ye de wi ye pese ye bia daka no so kra e de wi si na no sofo preaching kra ye mpatie sa na Yaababy ayi na se enema ekoso na chese nipa ahofade e de ben se ye de ba sri tenkaba ene long dress ni ade na ye de ko na Yaababy ayi ase de enkrofo abo naked pa wo mo she dross na sebi akoso adompo no e bonchen kakra ai no ma biem na biem fia na chese Cretolis and so appear with dross, which is a ahofadia sebi a tutu bra ahofamana ye de call Yaababy a yase a ye evangelist Oduro a prophet Oduro was sick se de Ghana dear yaji a sumpa atum ewo Ghana has say sum a ye ni penny na fe a ye ne asofo utaba and ne we are sid nipa do drofana ehu esuma na mu ye esum no awa tu a yentimi nka eye han no emfa esum no emfriwa eye prophet Oduro so e de nanum nsem kakra ba efa Yaababy eye niema ekoso no in fact me yentie mra.
And I look at the level of gayism, lesbianism. The young lady died tragically. And then, instead of the people to sit down and reflect on the death of the young lady, rather they come with their promiscuous lifestyle, Ashawo lifestyle, to the young lady's funeral. Then they display impunity, rebellion. Then in the burial service of the young lady, there is another accident that claims lives. Generation you know, we are in the life where we love pleasure more than God. As the Bible said, very good, we love pleasure. Let's party. Yeah, let's party. Light has come into the world, but men, they love darkness rather than light. John chapter 3 and verse number 19. The men don't like darkness, they love it. They love it. They love it. And so we are here pointing fingers at other people, but we live a worse life more than them. And so we see people fall and we laugh. We see people go down and we jubilate. The Bible said in Proverbs chapter 24 verse number 17, rejoice not when your enemies fall. Yeah, rejoice not when your enemies are down. Yeah, and let not your heart be glad when they stumbleth. The Bible said in verse 18, he said, for God will see it and be displeased with him and turn away from his wrath from him. In other words, when God is punishing your enemies, you don't even have to rejoice. Yeah, you don't have to rejoice, because while you're rejoicing, and then he turns around and ignore what he is doing. Yeah, you see very clearly. I see people go down and people are already throwing handkerchiefs, already, jubilating. Whilst you are on the same path. Whilst you are on the same path. And so it is only the foolish who will jubilate when people are falling. This morning I want to add my voices to to the voices that are calling His Excellency the President concerning the Capital Plus young man who is serving a jail sentence in Nsawam. A young man's name is Atu. He was pardoned in the previous administration. Your Excellency, good morning. There's a petition coming to your table by the lawyers of that young man. Please, that young man is too intelligent for prison. And at the moment, he has a health challenge on humanitarian grounds. Please, could he be added to the people that will be pardoned this year? Atu Asian is the name, not Akwehwifo. Atu Asian is the name. They are asking. That young man knows how to make money. He knows how to build businesses. He knows how to build even a nation. I think it will be a waste for him to be in some. Even if he is owing this nation, let us release him to come and work and pay his debt. Rather than to die in prison, I think that it will be a waste of life. So when people fall, we don't rejoice. Me and Mijina, I can go to prison. The people who have gone to prison and come back, when they tell their experiences, you will stop your nonsense. Yeah. You can beat your wife. The prison is also a home for you. Yeah. Show you them friend a baby. And I drop patch or run a dross done a so. No, relax, I'm serious here. Or done a so. Sleep, lie upon him upon her in the night. Then by daytime, just on a misunderstanding, you swish like this and become another person. Another person that is violent, that can slap, that can kick. He leaves me asking a question, where is the Holy Ghost? And so when we are talking about your girlfriend and you swish like this, you really amaze me. When we are talking about a woman that is cheating on her husband and that is living an adulterous life and the woman behaves like a witch, I ask myself, where is the Holy Ghost?
Prophet Kofi Oduro yebese se yetie ai se nyame hu tu mu na hu se sum na kwakowurum na ntempa na ohum etimi kyerɛw ampa yemfa han no nanu na ebeboa ye ekuyentwa makra.